Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 7 DIY tools that every enthusiast and professional needs in their arsenal. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. Electric Spray Gun. This 600-watt, 750-watt electric spray gun by ProStormer redefines the painting experience. With its HVLP technology, it ensures smooth, even coats with minimal overspray. It comes with 4 interchangeable nozzle sizes and a generous 1,000 milliliters per 1,200 milliliter paint container, giving you versatility for various applications, from fences to furniture. Adjustable flow control allows for precise paint delivery, while its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use. This is an essential companion for achieving professional-level finishes in your home projects. Number 6. Laser Engraver. The LaserPecker 10 kW laser engraver takes engraving to a whole new level. With Bluetooth 5-point connectivity and CNC 4K precision, it allows you to engrave intricate designs on a wide array of materials, including metal, colored plastic, and jewelry. Its compact and handheld design ensures portability, while the powerful laser guarantees stunning results every time. Perfect for DIYers and creative professionals, this tool brings precision and customization to the forefront. Number 5. Bolt Extractor Set. The high-spec Bolt Extractor Damaged Impact Socket tool set is the ultimate problem solver for stubborn nuts and bolts. Designed with resilience and precision, this tool effortlessly removes damaged or stripped nuts. Its Milwaukee Bolt Extractor compatibility adds versatility, ensuring it works seamlessly with other tools. Whether you're handling automotive repairs or dealing with rusted hardware, this screw removal nut remover and extractor tool is a must-have for any toolbox. Number 4. Reciprocating Air Saw. The Usailing AF5A-Q Reciprocating Air Saw is a dual-use powerhouse. Designed for cutting and polishing, this pneumatic file tool is perfect for detailed metalwork and automotive repairs. Its reciprocating motion delivers clean cuts, while the additional file attachment ensures smooth finishes. Built with durable materials and an ergonomic grip, it's ideal for professionals seeking precision and reliability in one tool. Number 3. LED Flashlight. For those who need unparalleled illumination, the super powerful LED flashlight is here to impress. Featuring the L2 XHP70 LED, this tactical torch is ultra-bright, USB rechargeable, and waterproof. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for emergencies, its robust design ensures it can withstand tough conditions. With multiple lighting modes and long-lasting battery life, this flashlight is your go-to solution for any dark situation. Number 2. Deburring Tool. The Deburring External Chamfer Tool is a stainless steel marvel designed for efficient burr removal. Ideal for metal drilling and bolt repairs, its portable design makes it easy to carry around. Crafted for durability, it handles stainless steel, hardened steel, aluminum, and more with ease. Its user-friendly operation ensures quick, safe, and effective burr removal, saving both time and effort in your projects. Number 1. Angle Grinder Adapter. The Angle Grinder conversion head transforms your standard angle grinder into a multifunctional tool. This adapter allows you to modify your angle grinder into an electric saw, offering unparalleled versatility for cutting, grinding, and more. With its robust build and easy installation, it enhances the functionality of your existing tools, making it a valuable addition to any DIY toolkit. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.